Hi, children. Have a pleasant day. Okay, children. So, before going to start our session today, let's start with prayer, right? So, close your eyes, and join your hands and listen to me. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya मृत्योमामृदं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Fine, children. Take a deep breath, relax yourself, and slowly open your eyes. Great. So, shall we move to the session, children? So, before going to that, I have a question to ask you. So, what is our body made up of, children? How does our body made up of? What made us to stand erect and made us to move in a stable manner? Would you think? Do you have an idea? Yes, these are all about our bones and muscles, right? So, because of bones and muscles only, we can able to walk, stand straight, and sit straight, right? So, in this chapter, we are going to see about our skeletal system, right? So, the chapter 3 name is the skeletal and muscular system. So, in this is our skeleton, children. Look at this. This is the skeleton, right? So, it has the bones, network of bones connected together so that we can move, walk, sit, stand, etc. Right? So, among these, just today we go some introduction about the bones, right? What are the bones present in our body? It's some introduction, right? So, listen to me. So, some simple bones are this is skull, right? Skull helps us to protect our brain. Then this is the vertebral column, which is the spinal cord of our body, right? The vertebral column is the spinal cord. Then this is rib cage. These ring shaped bones are known as ribs. As it looks like a cage, it is termed as rib cage, right? So it protects lungs and heart. So the middle bone present in the rib cage is known as sternum. Okay. Then these are shoulder blades, which is present in our shoulder part. Okay. Then this is the pelvis, which is the hip bone, the bone present in the hip. Okay, that is named as pelvis, and below that it is the thigh bone. And generally, mainly a bone is filled with bone marrow, right, which is the liquid portion which helps in production of blood in our body. Okay, so what is the purpose of bone marrow? It helps in production of blood, right? So skeletal system, first one, skeleton is nothing but it is the framework of bones that holds our body upright. What helps us to stand straight, children? The skeleton. Very good. The skeletal system consists of bones and cartilages. Right. So, about bones, you must have know already. So, what are bones? They are hard and strong, made up of calcium and minerals. Right. So, bone marrow. Bone is filled with bone marrow, which produces blood cells. Then coming to cartilage. Cartilage are flexible bones. Okay, they are also bone, but they are not as hard as normal bones. They are flexible and soft. Right? For example, these cartilage bones are present in tip of the nose and the end of ears. Right? So, if you look at that, if you sense the tip of the nose, it will bend this side and another side, right? So there will be a bone present, namely cartilage bone, right? So the cartilage bone is flexible, and it is not as hard as normal bones, right? So what are the functions of skeleton system? Skeleton, the three major functions are: it provides proper shape and provides support to our body, right? What provides proper shape? Skeleton. So skeleton provides proper shape and it supports our body while standing, while sitting and moving. For doing these actions, skeletons support us in a good manner, right? So next one, it protects vital internal organ such as brain, heart, lung. Okay, so mainly the purpose of skeleton is to protect our internal organs, vital internal organs such as brain, heart and lung. Okay, and the third one, it allows us to move. The bones in our body are connected together by muscles. How the bones get connected? The bones get connected together by muscles. That helps our body to move, bend and stretch. Okay, children. So what did we see today? We saw about the skeletal system, right? What is skeleton? Skeleton is a framework of bones that hold our body upright. Okay, what consists of skeletal system? Bones and cartilages. Cartilages are flexible and soft bones. They are not as hard as normal bones, right? So bones are hard and strong. They are made up of calcium and minerals, right? Then bone marrow. What is bone marrow? These are liquid like structure which is present in the bone, which is responsible for production of blood cells. Then functions of skeleton. There are three main functions. First one, it gives proper shape and provides support to our body. Second one, it protects the vital internal organs such as brain, lung and heart. And the third one, along with muscles, it helps our body to move, bend and stretch. So this is about we saw today. So note down your homework, children. Take your workbook, page number 24 and the question number 2. What is the skeletal system? Write the answer and upload it in Google Classroom app. Fine. Okay. So children, we can meet in next session. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Bye.